Back to my channel. Today is December 1st, the day that I'm posting this video, and first of all I wanted to say happy December month. Second of all, in this video I am preparing and glowing up for my trip to LA. I went with Rosina and we were going for my friend's birthday. I also just want to mention that I was so rushed because I had so many appointments in the span of probably like 72 hours, even less. So in this video I'm just like going from one appointment to the next, which made for cool content, but also I feel like I didn't really explain myself, so that's what I'm doing right now. Also, this video is sponsored by Ardene. I hope you guys enjoy and I'll see you guys very shortly. I have so many fun videos planned, so if you aren't subscribed already, literally what are you doing? Subscribe down below right now. I love you. Let's get into the first clip, which is me getting my hair cut. So I got my hair cut. I'll show you guys what it looks like in a little bit. It's actually pretty short, but now I'm at the Luxe Skin Spa to get a facial. This is where I've been getting my facials and they've been making my skin so clear, so soft, and honestly been feeling so good. So I'm so excited to go do this with them right now. I'm gonna take you along and show you what gets done. I'm at the Burnaby location right now and it is literally so nice. It's insane. Not bad. I just wanted to get a little bit of a refresh and like detoxify my skin before I go on my trip because I want to be glowing and looking better than ever. So that's what I'm doing. Today we're going to be doing the dermaplaning and hydrofacial, which I did the hydrofacial last time and it made my skin so soft and like took out any blackness that I had in my pores. The only difference is that we're doing dermaplaning before, which is like when they take like the peach fuzz off your skin. But I don't know if you guys have done this before. I literally have one of those little like, Amazon like dermaplaning things and I've done it to myself, so I'm kind of nervous that like my face is already going to be spiky, but we're doing it with like a surgically like actual skin one, so hopefully it'll be a lot better. I'm so excited. It's gonna feel so good. I also never showed you guys what the outcome of my hair looks like, and this is it. It's a lot healthier. She curled it kind of different than I normally curl it, so it looks a little bit different, but my hair before went up to here, so I got like 3 inches cut.
We're doing dermaplaning and a hydrofacial. So basically what dermaplaning is it's a manual exfoliation of the top layer of the skin. But we're getting rid of any dead skin cells, peach fuzz, any type of debris that's lying on the top, and basically getting rid of that barrier so that any products that we're using can penetrate deeper. We are going to cleanse and exfoliate the top layer of the skin. This last step is to hydrate and protect. We're just gonna lightly kiss it into the skin and let all the serums absorb. Basically, it's a combination of antioxidants, peptides, and hyaluronic acid.
Guys, this is really bright. I can't see anything. Seriously, I don't think my skin has ever looked this soft. I look like a filter right now. I'm actually just at the mall right now, so I'm going to get a few things that I need for this trip and then I can go home. I just got to Bryn's house. She's gonna be doing my lashes. I think I'm gonna get a hybrid this time. Full set. I've gotten my lashes done by Bryn probably like 5 times and every time they turn out so good, so I highly recommend. Right now, as you can see, my lashes are really short right now. I actually have mascara on, so I need to figure out how I'm gonna get that off. I would highly recommend getting lashes if you don't like wearing a lot of makeup. It's so easy to look presentable when you have them on. Hello and good morning. It is the next day. My skin is looking glowy as ever and my lashes looking so cute. My curls actually stayed in, so I feel like I look pretty presentable right now for not wearing any makeup. I'm wearing a little bit of cream blush, but other than that, I'm not wearing anything. I want to show you guys what I got yesterday when I was shopping because I got quite a bit of things actually. From Sephora, I got actually a lot. It was the classic going in for one thing, leaves with like 20. Starting off with the one thing that I needed, which was translucent powder. This is just the Laura Mercier. I use this like every single time. Then I got 2 face masks. one for me and one for Rosina. I also got myself a watermelon eye mask that is hydrating and glowy, and I bought the Fenty Beauty Glow Bomb lip gloss. This is so good. If you haven't tried it yet, you need to. It just looks like this. I also just got a Rare Beauty, which is Selena Gomez's brand, cream blush. I actually took it out of the packaging because I used it this morning in the shade Joy, so it looks like this. It's super pigmented, and I feel like I've heard so many good reviews about it. And the last thing I got was this Surf Spray Salt Spray. My hair is actually naturally curly, so I feel like at the beach I can wear this and it's probably gonna make my hair look a lot nicer. Last thing I got was just 2 disposable cameras because I feel like this is just a necessity for the trip. So I'm gonna have one and Rosina's gonna have one. I also got these Peace Out acne patches. I actually think they work really well. I used them last night, and even though you can still see the red dots on my face, I actually think that it really cleared them out. I do have an Ardene haul to show you guys for some of their new loungewear and like comfy wear. This is actually from Ardene, so I'm really excited to show you guys that. I've worked with Ardene in the past, and they're a brand that I really like. I feel like their quality is really good, and I can always find super great basics from there and other fun items. And last time I worked with them, you guys really enjoyed what I showed you guys, so I'm happy to be partnering with them again. If you guys want a discount, you can use my code FernandaR20 to get 20% off anything that I'm going to show you. And also, I based all of these items kind of along the cozy loungewear theme. Starting off with this hoodie. This is actually from the men's section, and I'm obsessed with it. It has a hood, and it's just so comfortable, and you can like zip it all the way up, so especially if it's cold out, you can make sure that your neck is super cozy. I also really like that it has pockets in the front, so you can put your hands in it and stay super warm. Next up, I have my second favorite item that I got, and I actually wore this a lot during the rest of this video, so you're gonna see it, but it is this dark green Sherpa. It's like a coat. It's got pockets on the front of it. I just think it's super flattering, and I think green is like such a trendy color right now. Literally all different shades, like dark green and like bright green. They're just so cute. Next up, I got 2 crew necks because you already know I need to get a crew neck. I'm gonna be wearing that like all winter. Starting off with this crew neck, it is just this like pink fuchsia color, and it's got a pretty interesting detail on it. I feel like I haven't seen this before, but it just has, I think it says Colorado or something, but it's got like mountains on it, and I really like this color. I feel like it's kind of on brand with me because I live in BC, Canada, if you guys didn't already know, and mountains here are like the main thing. As for my second crew neck, I wanted to get a black one because I just feel like black goes with everything, and it's just like this, but it says Missouri on it, Kansas City, and it's just black. I feel like it's just a staple. It's a go-to. I don't see how you could go wrong with it, and it's just so comfortable. I feel like I could sleep in this, which I probably am going to. Next up, it's not really a cozy item, but I feel like I'm gonna be wearing it in the fall and just like whenever I want a casual outfit, which is this little button up. I don't know why, I just feel like Emma Chamberlain would wear this like cropped, so I can either crop it or tuck it into your bra or tuck it into your pants, but I feel like it's really cute, and it's long sleeve, even like this, cropped with like a little white mini skirt. Next up, I got the same thing in 2 different colors. I got a lot of the same things, but it is this flannel. This one has blue and brown checkered, and it's also like a fleece material. It's kind of like a shacket. I feel like you can either button it up or keep it open, and I think this with like a little white tank top underneath is so cute, so comfy, and y'all already know I couldn't resist getting another color. So I got it in this pink color. It kind of just reminds me of like pajamas, which I feel like is kind of the vibe I'm going for, since I just want to feel like I'm wearing pajamas when I'm outside. I wish you guys could feel it. You guys can kind of see the material. It's so soft. And I got both of these in a medium as well to make sure that they were going to be oversized, which they definitely are, so I'm very happy about that. Next up, I got 2 different types of pajama items. The first one, you guys are gonna love it. I feel like it looks like it would be super expensive, but it's actually like super affordable. I just feel like you can make yourself look so like clean and expensive wearing one of these. Like if you go to sleep wearing one of these every single night, I will just feel like you have your life together. And it is this fuzzy gray tank top. It's super flattering. It makes you look really good. And then it comes with these flared pants. And when I tell you these make your butt look so good, I'm not joking. They look so good. They're so flattering. And especially if you're tall, I feel like they have really, really long legs, and they're also super stretchy, so you can like hike them up a little bit. I kind of wish I bought them in every single color, but this will do for now. And then lastly, I needed another pajama item, so I opted for the classic red checkered pajamas. Like I feel like this is just a classic. It's gonna be Christmas. Why have I never had a pair of these? And then guys, I really went all out and I got the same exact ones, but in short version. They're so soft. They're like this fleece material. Honestly feel like a blanket. But yeah, that is everything that I got. If you guys want anything, links will be in the description. My discount code is FernandaR20 for 20% off. And thank you, Ardene, for sponsoring this video. So far, this is what my packing situation looks like. I have all my shoes here. I have some piles of clothing here, and then I have some accessories here, but not everything yet. I think I'm gonna take this big luggage and then just the small carry-on. I know that's still probably too much, but I just can't narrow it down, and I prefer to pack many, many things. I need to leave right now to go pick up Rosina to get the PCR test, so that's what I'm gonna go do. Okay, we're finally at the clinic.
Yeah.
It is called
Ardene Medical Clinic.
Woohoo! We're gonna get our COVID testing done. It only takes 20 minutes to get your results, so it's gonna be super fast, super easy. And yeah, I'll tell you more about it when we're inside. We went to the wrong location, so we got the right one now.
Yes.
All right, so yeah, I'll have you just keep it perfect, just in case you sneeze. Cheer, okay? Ready, 10 seconds. And that's everything.
Thank you.
Look, you are good to go, and we'll have your results ready for you in 20 minutes.
Thank you so much.
I love your coat, by the way.
Thank
Oh
you.
my gosh, it looks so cozy.
Thank you. Okay, we are on our second stop of the day in Vancouver, our second appointment. We're going to Mine and Yours. It's a luxury consignment store. We're gonna pick out some items to bring with us in LA, and as for myself when I go to Mexico. I'm really excited.
So excited.
We picked our items from Mine and Yours. I'll show you guys when I get home. We're at Glory Juice and we're getting a little bit of lunch because I'm so hungry, but we have so much to do today, so we shouldn't really be waiting around.
Got this almond drink, and it has alkaline water, spreaded almonds, dates, and mountain salt. So
I'm kind of scared.
I know.
Juice is like, sometimes they just don't turn out. This really was not the flavor I was thinking it was gonna be. Wait. We got our luxury bag.
So the first item that I got to pull, which I'm so excited for,
Pony hair saddle bag. It's so cute. I think this is gonna be like so easy to wear with like so many different outfits.
Yeah.
My daytime bag.
It's so cute. These are really cute together.
They're really cute. We should get a photo.
I know.
This is a Fendi bag. It's like jean material.
And then the second one I got was kind of last minute. It was like just at the checkout, night out and like evening bag. It's this YSL little bag.
It looks like fireworks on it. I think it's really cute.
I'm really excited for this because I feel like I brought a lot of black outfits and like a lot of like deeper colors for like fall and winter. So this is just gonna be so nice.
And then my second one, it can be for daytime because it has a long strap, or for night. I think this is Gucci, right? It's the Gucci Jackie bag. It's very cute. I really like how this like clasps.
I love that bag.
We are parting ways. The next time we will see each other,
We're going to
LA.
I'm so excited. I'm so excited.
Yeah, I have so much to get done. It's 1 p.m. It's grind time.
I
now.
know. We basically are just gonna be prepping and planning and everything for like the next like few hours until we literally have to leave. I'm scared.
Okay, it's go time, guys. I am so stressed right now. I really hope this vlog isn't all over the place. It is the day before I leave, and it's my friend's birthday party today, and I'm probably self-sabotaging myself because we're going downtown for dinner, and then we're going to a literal club after, and I'm planning on like Ubering home at like 12:30, and then I need to be literally going to the airport at 9:30, and I haven't finished packing. I just cannot cancel my friend because she's been planning this for so long, but it's 4:43 right now and the dinner is at 5, and I'm obviously not gonna get there on time. I still need to get my nails done, and I'm not gonna get my toes done, so I'm probably gonna have to do that when I'm in LA, and I still need to go to the bank. So I'm gonna be significantly late. Just can't go to LA when my nails look like this. It is officially leaving day. I have everything packed and I'm so excited. It's currently 10 a.m. I need to go pick up Rosina right now. My dad's actually driving me, so thank you, Dad. My mom helped me pack, and I said bye to my brother, and I said bye to my cat, and I'm so sad. Say bye. I'm so excited. We've made it past security.
Yeah, we finally made it past, and now we're gonna get Joe the Juice. And we're boarding our flight at 1:10. It's 12 away right now, so.
Not 1:10,
Oh wait,
12:30.
we're boarding in 20 minutes, 30 minutes.
Joe the Juice is so good. If you ever got a chance to try it, get it.